Okay, so we have the grinding attachment back in stock. Quite a lot of comments about it, so I have my bench grinder here and we're going to set it up. Now, I did make up this little setup here specifically for this this drill sharpener, but it was actually about a year ago. I haven't taken it out since, but I had a little review of my drill bit connection and there's one or two of them there that are a bit gnarly looking, so give them a bit of a sharpen. This little bolt here is what we're going to fix the drill bit sharpener onto. And by God, it is hot. Okay, so the angle is actually 68. So when this thing comes out of the box, this thing is supposed to rotate your face in your drill bit. So you just need to adjust that back, loosen these screws and get it so that it's, yeah, that's exactly what you want now, just barely touching the stone itself. The last adjustment then is just on this face here. So after the first grinding there now, you can just see the face starting to form. Still a tiny bit of a chip going out of here, so let's go a bit deeper. But and again, I'm not an expert, but I have ground a lot of drill bits in my time. It's better to do the same amount of grinding to both faces. So on the jig here, you advance the bit in towards the disc using this here. So what I recommend is tighten her in, grind both faces to the same sort of grind. If you want, you can do the same amount of twists over the face, count them, and then advance this wheel here to get it closer to the machine. So now you can see we're evening up both sides. Still a few chips and stuff, so we'll go back again. We'll advance the little thumb wheel here. So now I have to say I'm pretty happy with that. I'm going to sharpen another one and then we'll try the two of them out in a hand drill and see what they're like. This is our freshly ground drill bit. I've got a bit of angle in the vise here and I did pilot a hole. Not even too sure, I think that's an 11mm. I wouldn't even try and drill an 11mm straight off the bat with a hand drill anyway, but we might try it in a pillar drill in a minute. So now, I don't know what that. So now that's it. That's the bit after drilling a few holes, not a loss in it. That's the little attachment. I mean, people have commented that it's a bit fiddly, and you look at, if you have loads of money, you can just keep buying drill bits. Probably not feasible for the smaller bits, like, you know, fucking 5 and under, they're cheap as chips, they're 50 cents or €1 each, you know, if you break them, no big deal. But your bigger drill bits, you're definitely talking bigger money, and it's just, if even to be able to sharpen a drill bit in a bind when it's a Sunday evening, like it is now, and you need to drill a hole and you're in a spot of bother, it's not a bad investment. It's a good little tool. You'll find it on airwell.ie.